Dreaming of sun-drenched serenity? Discover Kamaran, where Egypt's Red Sea meets biophilic luxury. Nestled in award-winning Gouna, this nature-inspired haven blends minimalist design with vibrant community living. Choose exquisite chalets, studios to 2 bedrooms, 40-100 SQM, all featuring sand pool views. Enjoy private terraces, dedicated workspaces, and lush gardens. Biophilic architecture invites natural light while clean lines create tranquil sanctuaries. For families, safe parks, jogging trails, and dog zones. Adult saver yoga spaces, and communal grilling areas. Beyond your doorstep, Abu Tig Marina, championship golf, and 100+ international restaurants. El Gouna's self-sufficient town offers schools, hospitals, and endless water sports. UK investors own paradise with 1 beds from $273,000 or 2 beds from $362,000. Benefit from year-round rental demand and tax advantages. Developed by Oricom, global creators of premium destinations across 7 countries. Your Oasis awaits. Contact Opalence Realty today for exclusive access to Kamaran's final units.